Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Bhavna Sachin Rathod, specialized gum surgeon and oral implantologist. So today I'm going to talk on a silent killer. What is it? What is silent killer in the dental faculty? We call it periodontitis or periodontal disease. Why it is silent killer? Because majority patient is not complaining. They just say that we don't have anything. But stop, you had those things, but you ignored those things. How? I will tell you. Before that, I'm going to explain you what is periodontal structure. I'm going to show you. This is tooth and it is surrounded by gums. Underneath that gum, there is bone, and in between the gums and the bone, there is ligament. Many ligaments are there, periodontal ligament. If you have mild periodontitis, you will have the inflammation in the gingival area, and when that inflammation is there, will complain of bleeding gums, swollen gums, and also bad breath. So in that case, what you need to do, you just follow our oral hygiene series. That is, you need to brush properly, you need to visit your dentist for checkup and everything. And if you're ignoring those symptoms, then you will have the inflammation of the bone as well as the ligament. So when that inflammation of the bone and the ligament happens, you will notice that your gums has gone down. That is recession. I have already covered it. And once there is a recession as well as the inflammation of the ligament and the bone loss is occurring, then that comes in moderate to severe periodontitis. And if it is there, then one day you will have tooth in your hand. That is tooth loss. Periodontitis is the end stage of the gum disease. So if you have swollen gums, bleeding gums, don't ignore that. It is going to damage from inside because the pocket has formed from inside. The bone loss has occurred from inside, and it is silently killing your gums, your oral hygiene from inside. That's why we call it silent killer. In the next video, I'm going to talk on the correlation between diabetes and periodontitis. So why you need to know that if you have a diabetes, you definitely you will be facing the periodontitis issue. So I would highly recommend you, if you have a diabetes, go get it done your dental checkup, because you might have or you might be facing the periodontal disease or periodontitis. To see the next video, don't forget to follow us. Thank you. Bye-bye.